Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video I'm going to discuss about the stock that is for a stock for today and stock for tomorrow scanner. But I'm doing some lot of workout on the scanner. That's why I'm not providing you the scanner yet. But this was working. So what happened? What we have provided the stock which is for a today. So one is TVS Motor and Bank of Baroda, SRF and GNFC. These four stocks we are focusing for a stock for today. And stock for tomorrow we have a lot of stocks which is present now: Polycap, LTTS, Indigo, ABFRL, and lot of stock we got it. And Coal India. Then we got a OB Reality. So lot more stock we got it from this scanner, right? So just see ABFRL, Coal India, OB Reality, Persistent, National Aluminium. What happened in ABFRL? Okay, that's ABFRL. Persistent, National Aluminium, Aarti Industries, Adani, Coal India, Apollo Hospital, Techchem. So we got a lot of stocks. There's many stocks we got it, from this list for a stock for tomorrow. But today, what is the performance? How it done? And let me see that. First one is TVS Motor. So let me try it on TVS Motor. Just after selecting a stock, we are using that for a 15 minutes opening range breakout strategy. Is that right? So today, this is the first 15 minutes candle where there is a big candle. So we didn't get any opportunity on higher side. And the lower side, we got opportunity. Right, lower side, we got opportunity. So triggered on the candle and it went up higher and closed at this nearby high. So this trade gives you loss. This was a loss trade. Okay, but it gives you entry and after that it went up, but never not triggers your stop loss. Stop loss is not it. So we may be trying to take a sell entry somewhere around 654, stop loss of 665, almost 12 rupees. So but end of the day it is giving you 10 rupees loss. So this is a loss trade which is happening on TVS Motor. The entry triggered and it went higher. Okay, and the second one, so which you are focusing for the trade is GNFC. That is also be, I think, stop loss. Let me try it in the GNFC. This is what a first candle, 46 to 39. So 7 rupees risk for the trade, where initially it triggers you that higher level and then it triggers you the stop loss. Then the reversal trade, it generate you some target. So from 540, so the 7 rupees. If you are doing a 2 trades on this GNFC, first trade should be giving you some profit of 51. So almost 5 rupees is generated. But as per our 1:1 target, it is not triggered. Then it returned back. And this sell side, it was coming to 532, nearby 8 point it is generated. So it was a target triggered. So here no loss, no profit on the stock because it is the first trade loss. The second trade profit, if you are making 1:1, so one loss, one profit, so we are ending with a 0. So for 10 rupees loss in TVS Motor and GNFC is the no loss trade. And finally Bank Baroda, so that was giving you such a good result. This was the first candle at 9:15 where the low is 16.4, the high of the trade is 18.8, 2.4 rupees. From there it went to 14.4 to 16.5 to 18.8, 2.3. So it made a low of 14.4. So 2 rupees is generated, but it is not triggered a target, but 2 rupees ending with the profit. And SRF, which is giving you the entry at 43 to 74, 30 points. So once the entry is triggered and closed by 80, so 6 rupees profit. So minimum profit we are expecting this kind of stock that was working good and better on intraday basis. Hope you understand. So the breakout we are using for a breakout kind of trade. And secondly, yesterday I have created a software in a trade run. So only these stocks which broken that highest level or lowest level. Today, if I am doing each stock as a 10,000 rupees value. So I used each stock for a 10,000 rupees. So Bank of Baroda, which provides me somewhere around 133 rupees, because I sold 86 stocks. So because that is the value is 10,000 exactly, 10,010 rupees. 86 stock, it sold me at 931 because the 16.4 is the low is broken. The 16.4, that low is broken. the low is 16.5. So once it is broken, the 16.4, it took an entry, and 14.85. So 3 o'clock 10 minutes it will close all the position. And SRF initially it buy up only 4 stocks, and 74 to 84, only 6 rupees profit, that I already seen. It was taken by 10,299. So it has nearby 10,000. How much quantity would be the possible number of stocks? It will try. So it is also exited at 315. So universal exit. It is a robo 315. I mentioned 316. It exited the positions. And third one, so SRF we done it, and the robo which said GNFC. What happened? GNFC 18 stock it taken 47 and 47.85. It was not triggered to the stop loss. I'm going to working out because it is a testing in mode. So what happened? It took the GNFC first initially buy trade it took it taken, right? Buy trade it taken. The stop loss is not triggered, and end of the day it closed the position. I need to work on that also, why it is not trigger my stop loss and how to modify that. I'm going to wait for that. And once it is I done, so it may give me a clear one. So this is also 9:36. It has a 3 o'clock 16 minutes. And TVS Motor, where it is sold at 53 and exited with 58, this stock was hitting a stop loss. And I am making some ideas. So I need to take instead of taking a value basis, I can take a risk basis. So I can take a risk basis. So risk basis is the means, so I can make a stop loss for each and every trade as a fixed risk. So if any stock which comes, so I'm going to take a 10-point risk or a 20-point risk, or sorry, 1,000 rupees risk or 2,000 rupees risk or 500 rupees. I can manage the position by according to the risk factor. So that is also possible. So I'm going to create on that also. So but right now it is a testing basis. If it works, it may be helping to others, those who are trading in equity. But right now, so this is what another one, so which I got it. And these are the stock that was worked good. So with that 40,000 investment, so 108 rupees is a profit on a testing basis. That was good and nice. And these are the 4 stocks. But if you see the tomorrow, we have 1 2 3 4 more than 10 stocks. We got a 10-15 stock, so we need to try to track. So we'll send you the list of the stock by tomorrow. But these are the stocks. What are the stocks? Polycab, LTTS, Indigo, ABFRL, Coal India, OB Realty, Persistent, National Aluminium, Aarti, Adani Enterprise, Chola Finance, Apollo Hospital, Tata Chemical, Bharat Forge, Federal Bank, Rain Industries, Chamber Fertilizer, and Balakrishna Industries. So almost a 15 stock plus we got a trade. So this is what the next day plan on this stock. So I'm going to make this code even better. All right. So this is what my idea. So where I applied for this thing, and I'm going to follow some other trade status also. And I'm trying to create the robo. So will help you to make such a great kind of opportunity. I hope this may be useful to you all. Thanks for being with me. Thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much. I will show you again the tomorrow's stocks. You can practice, you can add it in our watch list by today, and you can track. But I am using a ORB strategy that was working out. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video, and thank you so much.